holding something. It did rather look like it in her left hand. I don't know what I saw though, but her left hand was turned up and the fingers were curled, which suggests to me she was actually holding something in it. HF16KJV, maybe nothing. I haven't seen anything yet. Oh, there's definitely a phone open there. Good morning, ma'am. I see the phone there very clearly. Put it away. Yep, I see you now. Put on the dashboard. Be careful of this lorry here. You never know when you're going to get an unexpected lane change.